Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Bonani and you are watching me on the Trend Enthusiast. So today I thought of making a video on Vogum Fashion. So yes, again Vogum Fashion is an Instagram store. I made a part 1 of this how to shop on Instagram video. It will be linked somewhere in the top right corner over here or maybe here. Please check it out because it will be really helpful for you all. And basically I actually stopped making videos regularly recently, and this is my second video after this pause, and I am back with another interactive video. I hope you enjoy it. It will be really helpful for you all. So if you actually want to look like your favorite actress maybe, or if you want to get perfect match of outfit, or if you like to dress exactly like your favorite heroine, or maybe if you any particular designer and you like one of his or her design, then my friend, you are very lucky because now you can get their look in a very reasonable price. Yes, you heard me right. You can get your favorite dress, favorite outfit all ready, all prepared just for you, all personalized for you. So yes, if you want to know how you can get your own outfit or your own designed outfit, then please keep on watching this video till the end. And for more of such videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So please keep on watching. Link to the Vogum website and their Instagram page will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So yes, today I am going to talk about Vogum Fashion. So what is Vogum Fashion? Vogum Fashion is an Instagram store, as I told you. It's not actually just Instagram store, but it also has its own website. So first of all, how can you contact them? Number one, how can you contact them? So basically, they have their website and also they have their Instagram profile. So you can contact them both ways, but they have become super popular these days and they have loads and loads of order coming their way. So please be patient, please keep calm and keep trying for your line. That's what I would suggest you to do. If you want to get your perfect dress, if you want to get that best dress so that everyone stares at you all the time in one particular event, then please do try Vogum. But also, every good thing comes with a deal. So here the deal is, you have to keep patience and you have to keep on trying them, keep on contacting them, because don't forget, they are getting tons and tons of order every day. And so if you want to get into that line, then please keep on trying. That is what I would say, because I also did that. I kept on trying again and again so that I get dress made from them. So please be patient with them and please don't get upset that they are not replying or anything as such. So before moving any further, let me clarify it to you all that this is not a sponsored video. Again, the same thing, just like the previous video, I am totally a new YouTuber. No one knows me, no one has any interest to invest on me. So yes, this is absolutely an unsponsored video. So yes, and then the next point, how do you contact them? So first, you wait for your turn. You actually can go to their website and you can continuously keep on adding the dress, the image of the dress you want to get made. You go to Google. While scrolling Google, you find several dresses that you actually like, right? So it is very easy. You just download those images, you send it to Vogum and you say them that yes, I want this dress to be made for me, and you give your WhatsApp number. So what happens when your turn comes, a particular person or a particular designer, I used to call her my own designer, so she will text you, she or he or whatever will text you in WhatsApp, and then comes the fun part. So then comes point number 2, that is how to choose and how to order. So how to choose, basically, you have already sent them several pictures that you would like to get fitted for you. So now what you have to do is, that particular designer will keep on saying the estimated budget for that particular outfit. So they will give you estimated budget for your outfit, and then depending on your budget you can choose from them. Another thing, suppose they are saying a particular dress which is out of your budget, a little out of your budget. So what you can do is you can negotiate with them. They will cut a little style from here, a little flare from there, and they will somehow fit it into your own budget. So that is another thing. They will customize the design, they will customize the product in such a way that it might come to your budget. That is, you can get your thing, but with a little bit of negotiation. So you can have one-on-one conversation and you can fix it out. So after that, when you are ready and you already have decided which one you will actually make, oh my god, then comes the fun part. Then that particular designer becomes your best friend. You can text her, you can do anything, you can say whatever alterations you want, whatever design extra you want, whatever you want, you can say them anything, and they will reply to you in WhatsApp like one-to-one conversation, and you will get everything done. Now comes the payment part. Why I am saying the payment part first and not the other things is because this is your own customized dress. That is, the Vogum is making this dress just for you. So my friends, so you have to give a certain amount, that is a confirmation amount, before the actual making process starts. That makes Vogum confirm that you will not cancel. You cannot cancel because they are buying the material, they are buying the product just for making a dress for you. So you cannot cancel. So you have to make a 20% amount advance, and then they will start making it. After making 20% advance, you can obviously prepay the entire amount together, but even if you want cash on delivery, they will allow it, but then also you have to pay 20 rupees in advance, and after that they will start with their making process. That is another fun part. So as soon as they buy the material, they will send you a picture. You can say if you like it or you want to change it. You can make modification in that particular pic. Suppose the picture was in purple, you can make it red, you can make it black, you can make it ash, you can make it any color you want, and they will do it. And after it is done, they will, in each step, they will keep on showing you the picture and making it sure that you are happy with it or not. Now comes even more fun part, that is, this won't be a first copy product. If you think that, oh my god, then what is there? It is first copy product, we can get it from anywhere. But no, my dear, they will give a little twist to your outfit by making it a little different from the picture that you have sent them. So they will add their own creativity to it so that you can actually call it your own outfit. So it will be an inspired one, it will have everything same, but there will be something or the other different that will make your outfit stand out. So I will show you mine. I got one lehenga for my best friend's wedding, and my goodness, I just can't explain what that feeling is to wear something which is made just for you, which fits you perfectly, and which makes everyone just stare at you every time you move from their side or whatever. So that feeling is great, I'm telling you. Okay. Now comes next part, that is the measurements. So this part is a little tricky. You can do two things. Either you can measure it all by yourself. Okay, so which parts you need to measure, that also they will mention you. That is, whatever measurements they will need, they will make those specifications along with which color you want and everything, and you just have to fill up that particular form. So while measuring at home, you might face some problem. I did it at home with the help of my mother. But you can also do one thing, you can go to the nearest tailor shop or the tailor shop from where you get your things altered, and from there you can get the measurements and you can send it to Vogum. Easiest method. Again, another thing, that Vogum will keep a little extra material, cloth material in your entire outfit, so that if you get a little healthy later on, or if you get a little thin later on, you can still alter it and use it years after years. Because things like this, these special outfits that you make are always very special, and we obviously want to use it for years and years and not just for once. At least I am not that rich that I can alter my dresses or make new dresses every time. So yes, that dress is super special for me. So yes, next thing comes that you have to give them enough time. Yes, my friend, you can't say that I need this dress right on time, right then. then you can't expect the best quality, I tell you. So you have to wait, give them enough time to make the best outfit, to make the best perfect outfit for you. So yes, that is the next point, that please, if you have some very particular important occasion coming, then please keep at least 1 month or 1.5 month time in your hand before actually ordering it, because obviously they will take time to design your dress, they will keep on sending you images, they will ask if there is any alternation that should be made or not. So please give them time, that is what I will say. Then after the thing is done, they will let you know before packing, they will pack, then they will show the product first. Yes, after the product is made, they will immediately send you the entire finished product. Even then you can make changes, you can even then ask them to make little or other changes, and then when you confirm that you are super happy with your product, they will pack it. And then if you want, you can pay the entire thing online, or you can opt for cash on delivery. Any which way, you will get your product within 7 to 14 days and you are done and you are happy. So when I received my product after such a long process, long yet interesting process, it was a long process, but it was a very interesting process, a very new experience for me. A person making a dress just for me was a whole new experience and a very interesting experience. So I was very happy while after receiving my product. All the related images will be shown somewhere in the screen, and the price that I paid for the lehenga will also be there in down below, given in the screen, because I don't really remember the price. So without wasting any more time, let me just show you the product. So I have my long flared huge lehenga somehow packed in this plastic. So let me show it to you. First I'll start. Okay, let me see if you can guess from which look this is inspired. Let me see if you can guess from which look or from which designer it is inspired, and do let me know that in the comment section below. So let me start with the lehenga blouse. Arey yaar, it's super heavy. So this is a lehenga blouse. It's in this lovely purple color. This is in that lehenga blouse. So the look, the design is not entirely copied. They have added this additional designs and made alterations. The back I have made like this. The back is made like this, round one. Material that they have used is taffeta silk. So they told me that they will be using taffeta silk, and I have actually got taffeta silk. So this is the one. There is pads attached inside. They also asked me if I want pad or not, so I said yes, obviously I want pad. So they did that. So they asked me for everything, whether I need piping or not or whatever. They asked me for everything, and I made my choices as per their request, whichever they wanted, whenever. And then this is my dupatta. So this is the dupatta. Again the same black design going on. So this is the dupatta. And then this is the skirt. Oh my god, I got a 7-meter flare. The picture was having 8-meter flare, but 8-meter flare was getting out of my budget. As I told you, I made negotiation and I went for 7-meter flare. They told me that they will give me 6-meter flare in that budget. Then what I did, I negotiated a little bit with the amount of design that will be there in the skirt. So they made a little less designs on my skirt, and they gave me 1 meter extra flare. I hope you are getting it. So in that manner we negotiated, and I got my dream flare. I always wanted to get this kind of flared skirt, like I will be walking like princess and my skirt will be all flared. I got my dream flare. This won't be visible over here in this camera, so you will be able to see it. Anyways, this is the flare. Whoa, I just can't show you right now, but yes, I will show the picture. The flare is that huge. So okay, I will be attaching pictures here and there and everywhere. You can see it. And also they asked me about, they also showed me these designs as to what kind of latkan I want. That also I got customized. Then they have given zip over here. They also asked me if I want can or I want it without can. So the basic difference is, if there is can, it will be a lot heavier, and if there is no can, it will be a little lighter. So depending on what type of lehenga you want to carry, if you want to carry it heavy or if you want to carry it light, you can alter it. So I did the same. This is my lehenga with this can inside, and you can see it in my pictures how pretty it looked. It looks super pretty. I'll show all the pictures here and there and everywhere, you can see it. So anyways, this is all I could think about Vogam. If you have anything in extra that you want to ask me, then please don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. I will answer each and every questions or doubts which you will have. I hope this video was helpful. By the way, you can make anything you want. It is not mandatory that you have to make lehenga. You can make jeans, you can make top, you can make any dress that you saw. Sometimes it happens that you see someone wearing a particular dress, but that is not available on Myntra or any other store or Amazon or Flipkart. So best thing that you can do that time is Vogam fashion. So that is what I did. I saw a lot of images of lehenga before buying it. I researched a lot on lehenga, but I wasn't satisfied truly. So then Vogam came to my rescue. I was super happy. I would give Vogam a 4 out of 5 for their entire management, their dressing, their design, their everything. So yes, if you want, you can give it a try. You can have your dream dress ready right in front of you. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And for more of such videos, do press that bell icon as well, because then you will get notified every time I upload a video. So I will meet you again for my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.